Now that we know how to make single crochets and swap yarn, we can now learn how to create a slip stitch to finish off the piece. We will first watch a demonstration of how to do a slip stitch, and then we will break it down and make a slip stitch together. When you are on the last stitch and are ready to finish off the piece, you will essentially make a chain, and then pull the loop longer than you normally would. Next, you will cut the yarn about 4 to 6 inches away from the loop. Lastly, pull the tail all the way through.
Look at that! You have a completed swatch. I am so proud of you for sticking with this and completing your first swatch. You are doing a wonderful job.
Charlie is right. Crochet is not easy to learn, and you have done a wonderful job. Now let's make this slip stitch. On the last stitch, make a chain, and then pull the loop longer than you normally would. Next, cut the yarn about 4 to 6 inches away from the loop. Lastly, pull the tail all the way through. To fully finish your piece, you can sew in the loose ends and cut the tails. And there you have it. You have made a slip stitch to finish your piece.
Oh, hello. Great job completing your swatch. You have come so far and should feel accomplished.
Wonderful work! There is not a rubric for this section, but I encourage you to reflect on your crochet journey so far. Just a heads up, in the next section, we will be creating our final project. We can't wait to see you there.